Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the Morphets treasure gun in Abyss Roblox. So Morphets treasure gun is obtainable and it's arguably the most broken weapon for farming rare mobs in the entire Abyss. So in here, I'm going to show you how and where you can get it. So I've already got the Morphets treasure gun. So what you need to do in here, you can just go to the Forgotten Dome first and go in between this leaderboard, and you can just go straight from here. Okay, just go straight until you pass this rocks right here. Okay, so you can still go straight, and once you pass this rock, you can just go down a little bit here. Just go down again. And you'll see this red coral. You can just go down there and you'll see the entrance to find Morphets, the NPC. So just go inside. Okay, so this is the Morphets cave. So if this is just your first time inside the cave, then you need to finish some quests. So there are, I think, 4 quests that you need to finish, but it's easy. And after that, you can obtain these, I don't know what it's called, this stones right here. There are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So once you do that, you'll unlock this Morphets gun, and you can buy it for, I think, 80,000 cash. And after that, you'll get the gun. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.